Income and other criteria. In order to achieve development goal of people, along with material things like income, they also want non-material thing like freedom, security, and respect of others. For development of a nation, average income or per capita income is needed. Per capita income of selected states. Per capita income, also known as income per person, is the mean income of the people in an economic unit such as a country or city. Per capita income is often used as average income, a measure of the wealth of the population of a nation, particularly in comparison to other nations. As per table, Maharashtra had toppest position with 1,01,314 per capita income, whereas Bihar was in bottom position with 23,435 rupees per capita income. It means a person in Maharashtra earned 1,01,314 in 1 year, whereas a person in Bihar earned only 23,435 rupees in 1 year. So Maharashtra is more developed than Bihar with 1,01,314 per capita income. Comparative data on Maharashtra, Kerala and Bihar. Development of a nation is also dependent upon literacy rate. According to the survey in Kerala, out of 1,000 children born, 12 died before completing 1 year of age. But in Maharashtra, out of 1,000 children born, 25 died before completing 1 year of age. And in Bihar, out of 1,000 children born, 43 died before completing 1 year of age. The last column shows that in Kerala, 78 children out of 100 aged 14 to 15 are not attending school beyond class 8, which is greater than Maharashtra and Bihar.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.